Yes, no man, one more try. Yeah man, KTV Herbal Remedies. Etsy, that's the website, KTV Herbal Remedies. And today we have one in what? The cellulose capsule, that is what? Yeah man, straight organic man and biodigestible. So today we have this plant that is called stinging nettle, otherwise known in Jamaica as grunage or crotch bush. Health benefits: number one, it's anti-inflammatory, meaning it has anti-inflammatory activities. It improves circulation, right? It's also good for bone health, so help with arthritis and joint illnesses. It gives you a healthy skin, of course, because it's also high in carotene. It works on the prostate in man, so literally this is a man herb. You understand? It protects heart, so it allows a healthy heart. It treats respiratory issues. It can be used as a detox, so it has detoxifying properties. It prevents kidney stone, yes man, and also dissolve kidney stone. Stinging nettle, yes I. It helps with pregnancy. It also helps with the contraction and the relaxation of what? The uterus. So if women are having pregnancy and difficulty with the muscle contracting and relaxing, stinging nettle, of course. And it also promotes female health, also good for women in menopause, so it's good for heat flashes. And let me give you some more details. Stinging nettle is a good cleanser. It fights free radicals and protect your cells. Stinging nettle is a potent herb that support cleansing. It is rich in vitamin and minerals, amino acids, and other minerals. It support the heart, as I said before. It looks after your cardiovascular health, one serving at a time. And also what it does, it helps discomfort, as I said before, with pain, joint illnesses, and boosts men health. It's also support the urinary tract, so it's good for urinary tract. So people with bladder infection, yes, this can clear things up. And that is it for stinging nettle. Yeah man, just try the website KTV Herbal Remedies on Etsy, and you can purchase this, of course, and we sell it locally here in Jamaica. Peace and light. I'm out.